Alright fam, today we're going to be fixing Makita tools. And we're going to do it with this. What you're looking at here is a Makita adapter that fits both Milwaukee and DeWalt batteries. You guys can see where I'm going with this already. But first, let's take it back a bit to the old days. Now a long time ago, TTI acquired Milwaukee, who developed the original technology for lithium-ion batteries in tools. And no, there's no actual red lithium cells inside these batteries. TTI, otherwise known as Tektronix Industries, does own Milwaukee tools, and they own the rights to any lithium-ion battery patents. DeWalt tried to get around this by using 20-volt max, but they were eventually defeated in court and had to back pay royalties. Makita ain't about that life. Lithium-ion is the main battery used in tools right now today. Lithium-ion cells. They resemble AA batteries, and they give a sufficient amount of uggaduggas to your tools. Recently, not long ago, Milwaukee changed the game when they came out with these high output 21700 cell batteries. Milwaukee also came out with larger iterations, all the way up to a big fat 12.0 that you guys can see right here. Now, I'm not the first to come up with this idea. I've been kicking this around for a little while, and I've had some other friends swap batteries with interesting results. In winter of 2021, DeWalt went and changed the game again by introducing their brand new lithium polymer stacked batteries. They have a much smaller form factor than those AA style lithium ion cells, and they're just so light. Instead of getting new high output batteries, Makita just went all the way up to a 6.0. That's disappointing. So today, we're going to find out whether the largest battery they make can be defeated by this bad boy. And if that's the case, should we just get more of these so that we can get better performance out of these? On today's test, we're going to be using a 6.5-inch circ saw, their flagship XT14, to see whether this can in fact beat their 6.0 battery. Test number 1, we've got an 8-inch timber lock, the Makita 6.0, fully charged power stack. Go. Wow, that's hot. Still 3 bars left on the power stack. All 4 bars left on the 6.0. I've got some very expensive scrap 2x4s. Look at that. These haven't been charged at all. We've got all 3 bars left on the power stack. Go. That felt really smooth. I didn't feel the saw bog down at all. New camera angle in 3, 2, 1. My bad, guys. Of course the vise is pinching the blade. We're going to do 2 rip cuts all the way down to right before the vise, because the vise will pinch the blade. This is what's left on the 6.0, 3 out of 4 bars. Next up is the power stack. Still, all 3 bars remain on this bad boy. I gotta tell you, one of the best things about the power stack is it makes this saw unbelievably light. Let's do some diagonal cuts, just for giggles. Power stack first. All right, let's head back to the exam table. Now these weren't strenuous tests by any means. Simple tests, drill and a saw. Weight-wise, the winner is clear. Performance-wise, I also want to say the winner is clear here. That's a 6 amp hour battery. This isn't even a 2 amp hour battery. And it's got all 3 bars. So my advice to you, if you're in the LXT lineup, don't buy the XGT. In fact, don't even buy the Makita batteries. It might be more cost effective in the long run to just go with the power stacks. They have a clear performance advantage, weight advantage. I think this battery could indeed fix most of the problems that Makita has. So Makita, if you're not chicken, give us some stacked lithium polymer batteries.